going on, guys? My name is Meek and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a restoration of one of the most iconic sneakers out. Let's take a look at it and get right into it. So you see here, the shoe cleaned up fairly good. Now, one area that I was having a lot of trouble with was the laces. As you can see right here, you got a lot of the black from the eyelids on the chucks here, but for the most part, the laces came out decent for what the shoe is. Got the bubble gum pretty white again. Got the midsole pretty white again. Now you do see a little fading right in this area. Now these actual dots right here that you see is from paintball. My daughter wore them to go paintball fighting or shooting or whatever you want to call it. She wore these, and you seen the picture in the thumbnail, they were trashed. There is a little bit of light fading, but that's common with these shoes. If you know Chucks, they fade a lot, but for the most part, there it is. Perfectly clean shoe. Now the line, I don't know what happened here. I think she tried to repaint the line on the shoe or whatnot. I wasn't gonna bother with it. But for the most part, there you go. Now, if you'd like to see videos like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. That way I can keep pushing out these videos to you guys. All right. Thanks for watching, and peace.